testimony of healing, the Mac Massage, the Healing
This is
Touch,
Mac Massage, the
and
Healing
Angel
Touch,
7,
only
the
sa
Touch
Pro.
of Heaven.
With Angel 7, the Touch of Healing. Kami po ay the Touch of Healing. Sir, bago po kayo namin i-treatment ng Moxie Passions and Bone Setting, ano pinararamdaman po natin?
Masakit talaga yung back. May mga back pains ako, tapos especially sa lower back. Then iba yung pagod, parang may over fatigue. Tapos medyo masama pakiramdam ko. Pero after nung treatment, nung therapy, lahat lumuwag, pati paghinga. Tapos yung pagtaas ko ng mga kamay, pati paglakad, pag-squat, lahat okay. Kaya well and highly recommended talaga. Mac Massage, the Healing Touch, sobrang okay.
Maraming salamat po sa recommendation po. This is Mac Massage, the Healing Touch, and Angel 7, the Touch of Healing. Book now! Magpabook na po kayo. Iikot po kami sa Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thank you po.
Thank you.